Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Now do yourself a favor and subscribe. Alright, so don't worry, you're not losing your mind. I did use the same intro and outro from my previous video. And also don't worry, I'm not over sneakers, but I just want to do quick videos on other stuff. So, on top of collecting sneakers, Casio and Hot Wheels, I do also collect hats, and I like to wear them not just because I'm balding, but also because it's another cool accessory I can add to the outfits. So even though I have about 150, 200 hats, from time to time I like to refresh the rotation. I got all these last year and the average price was really low, about 19 euros per hat, and I do need to say one thing. Fuck StockX. So I will start with this strap back I got in Monaco from the official Car Club store. I actually didn't have a white hat in the collection and I really like the embroidery on the front, the right side and the flag in the back. The quality control is a bit funky though. And this is another strap back from the brand called United Colors of Benetton. And yes, the Benetton in the name is the same as in Benetton F1 team. I really like the big 3D embroidery on the front, and there's nothing else on the sides and the back. Moving on to this Hugo Velcro strap. I have this hat already in 3 other colorways, and I just like how well it's made. There's an embroidery woven patch on the front and nothing else on the sides and the back. Alright, so check out this sick Von Dutch trucker snapback. I love the nice structured forehead part and this colorway. There's embroidery on the front, nothing on the sides, and a small woven label in the back. And this is another Velcro strap from Tommy Hilfiger, with sick embroidery on the front, nothing on the sides, and a small embroidery on the strap in the back. And finally, I said this in other videos, but Oakley is my new favorite brand right now. This trucker hat has a sick design with embroidery on the front and the brim, nothing on the sides and a small woven label in the back. Alright, so let me know what you think about these. If you have any questions, let me know which one is your favorite, and thank you for watching.